Well, there it is, the equal opportunity giant killer of trained chefs and good cooks everywhere, red beans and rice. In fact, the first time I tried to prepare it, my mother said it was almost good enough for the prison system. Well, thankfully, I got the hang of it before she passed, and if you're really on the ball, you can have this ready in 20 minutes using all fresh vegetables and spices. I'm using dried beans today, generally a no-no with me, but I'm very cautious. Dried beans can be incredibly old. The sell-by date on these is 3 years from now, and they're already old. You see the multicolors. That's because the lighter colored ones are already dried out and old. They're different sizes because they haven't been sorted. And worse, if I find a stone in them and I crush that stone and it smells like pesticide, that's because it is a pesticide ball from one of the pieces of equipment. Everything's in equal proportions. A cup of onions, a cup of peppers. These are red, yellow, and green banana peppers, sweet peppers, 2 bay leaves, a tablespoon full of tomato paste, and it looks like this because once I get it out of the can, I freeze it, and then now or 90, I can just whack off a piece of whatever I need, and I've got it. And a cupful of celery. Everything's in equal proportions. It's a blend. That's why this dish works so well. Our vegetables are in the pot along with a new pound of sausage. For those of you who don't know, a new pound is 12 to 14 ounces, but it's the same price as the old 16-ounce pound, so we're in good shape. Gonna add a half cup of water, and we're gonna fry this down. Usually the sausage will take care of the oil, but if you need some, you can add a tablespoon of butter or a tablespoonful of oil itself. I use grapeseed oil. Lid on, we're going to let it steam down. When you get to the point where your vegetables have softened and started to fry down, it's time to add your seasoning blend. Now don't panic, the directions are down in the description, and there's a video to go with it if you want to watch that. It has many other uses. Easy to do, nothing to it. You're going to mix it up, put it in a jar, and use it. Alright, now we have our beans in, and we're merely going to cook this down until it coats the spoon. And you have 2 ways of serving it. You can have red bean soup or red beans over rice. It is totally up to you. You've done it, my friend. Red beans and rice. Wasn't that hard? Good luck with your cooking and good luck with your eating.